American Mahjong, how to play. To learn how to set up the game, check out this video. The object of this 4-player game is to be the first player to declare Mahjong by correctly creating a hand that exactly matches a hand on the scorecard. Since East has 14 tiles, they start the game by discarding a tile. If the discarded tile is not claimed by other players, referred to as a call, the turn continues to the next player on the right. The next player draws a tile from the wall. Tiles taken from the wall are removed from where the breaking of the wall was left off, from top to bottom, in clockwise direction. You'll keep drawing from the same point around the wall until the game ends. After drawing, the player either decides to discard the drawn tile or to place it in their hand and discard another tile from their hand. The name of the discarded tile is announced and placed face up in the center of the table. If the discarded tile is not called, the turn continues to the next player on the right. This sequence of drawing, discarding, and continuing turns is repeated unless interrupted by a call. The most recent discard may be called by any player if the tile completes a pung, kong, quint, sextet, or another combination of an exposed hand. A tile may not be called to complete a combination of the hand that requires only a single tile or to complete a pair unless it completes a Mahjong hand. Tiles discarded prior to the most recent cannot be called and are dead tiles. If a player calls to take a discarded tile and it does not result in Mahjong, the combination it completes must be exposed face up on top of their rack for everyone to see and cannot be changed for the rest of the game. The player then discards a tile, and if it isn't called by another player, the turn continues with the player to the right. Some players may have their turn skipped when a tile is called. If more than one person calls, the player who calls a tile to complete a Mahjong hand trumps calls by any other player to complete a set. When none of the calls are to complete a Mahjong hand, the player nearest in turn order receives the discarded tile. When aiming for a concealed hand, all of the tiles in your hand must be drawn from the wall. None of them may be called tiles except for the last tile, which would allow you to declare Mahjong. Jokers can substitute any tile in a pung, kong, quint, or sextet combination. They may not be used to complete a pair or single tile in a hand. If any player has an exposed combination with a joker substituting a tile and you have the actual tile the joker is substituting, you may exchange that tile for the joker in the following manner. Call a discard or draw a tile from the wall on your turn as you normally would. Exchange the actual matching tile with the exposed substituting joker. Multiple matching tiles may be exchanged for multiple exposed jokers. Then, discard a tile to maintain the proper tile count in your hand. After exchanging for a joker, it is not necessary to expose tiles if that joker creates a combination in your hand. Jokers exposed in dead hands, which are hands that are out of the game due to violating the rules, may be exchanged. The game ends when either someone declares Mahjong or when there are no more tiles in the wall to be drawn. When a 14th tile drawn from the wall or called from the discard completes a hand on the scorecard, a Mahjong is created. The player then declares Mahjong and wins the game. If Mahjong has not been called and all the tiles have been drawn from the wall and the last discard has been made, then the game ends in a draw. No payouts are made. After each hand, the position of East continues to move counterclockwise. The process of shuffling the tiles, rebuilding the walls, and dealing is repeated until the game ends. If anyone plays incorrectly, reference the error penalty chart in the rulebook for how the situation should be resolved. You can find the exact American Mahjong set I'm using in this video at the link in the description, along with other options from Yellow Mountain Imports. Be sure to use my promo code SSSAMJ5 for 5% off.